Hey guys, welcome back to the Culinary Nation. I'm Prince, and today I'm firing up the grill and I'm making charred grilled tandoori chicken, an Indian style barbecue. So let's get started with the prep, guys. First, the chicken. We're using leg quarters with the skin off, more fat than breast, so it stays juicy over a charcoal heat. Tandoori chicken needs juice, guys. Now, here's the step most people skip. Make deep slits into the meat, all the way to the bone. This matters because the marinade needs to get inside, not just sit on the surface. For the marinade, I'm using pre-mixed tandoori masala from Shan. They already have the perfect balance of spices, but there's also a few things we're gonna add. We're going in with half packet tandoor and half tikka masala, 2 tablespoons garlic and onion powder, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, 3 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, half cup yogurt, and juice of 1 lemon. And also about quarter cup oil. Give it a good whisk until everything comes together and forms a really nice paste. Pour the marinade right over the chicken. Give it a really nice massage, making sure the marinade gets a good coverage. Guys, let this marinate at least 4 hours to 12 hours. So guys, tandoori chicken originated in the Punjab part of India in the 1940s. Typically cooked in a blazing hot clay tandoor oven, the combination of high heat, smoky flavor, and bold spices make it an instant classic, eventually spreading across India and becoming a global favorite. Set up your grill for indirect heat. Coals on one side, chicken starts on the cooler side. This way we cook it through slow first. Now that the chicken is marinated, place them right on the cool side. Guys, look at that color. Deep, rich red. That's the masala doing its work. Put the lid on and vents are open. We're cooking these in direct for about 30 minutes. The color has really developed in about 30 minutes. Here, I'm basting it with butter mixed with a pinch of that leftover masala. After 15 minutes, give it another flip and move it a bit closer to the fire. This is where the magic is going to happen. And there you have it, guys. Charcoal fired tandoori chicken. Crisp edges, deep spice, and that unmistakable charcoal aroma. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share so we can keep exploring the world one nation at a time. I'm Prince, and you're watching the Culinary Nation.